Today we are going to explore creating forms on the fly. In using Drake Accounting's On the Fly module, you can create, save, process, print, and e-file many different federal and state forms. If you need to add a new client, please see the client setup video. If your client does not exist in the current Drake Accounting program, but does exist in last year's Drake Accounting or Client Write-Up program, select Client and then select Update Prior Year in order to bring the client into this year's program. Choose the location of the client files by clicking the location under Existing Data Paths. The client files are displayed at the bottom of the dialog box. Select Individual Clients by clicking the box to the left of the client, or click the box to the left of the client code column header to select All Clients. Click Update. Once the update process is complete, click Exit. After you've brought the client into the current program, open the On the Fly module and select Update Prior Year to bring the On the Fly information from last year into the current program. Just as we did when bringing forward the client, choose the location of the client files under Existing Data Paths and then select the clients. On the right side of the screen, select All or choose specific forms to bring into the current program. Click Update and then exit the screen once the forms have been updated. It is very important that you select the appropriate client before processing forms on the fly. Make the client active by selecting them from the Client Selector screen and choose either Federal Forms or State Tax and Wage Forms under the On the Fly module. Let's look at Federal Forms first. The form type defaults to Forms 1099 and the form defaults to 1099 Miscellaneous. Select the applicable form. For today, we're going to process the 1099 Miscellaneous. If you processed a vendor's on-the-fly 1099 in the previous year, the vendor is listed in the grid. To process a 1099 Miscellaneous in the current year, select the vendor from the Find Vendor drop list and make any needed changes to the form that your selection populates. If you need to create a new form, click Create. After clicking Create, red validators appear on the form indicating required fields. The payer's name and information are filled in on the form. To complete the form, simply click each field and type in the required information. You can create multiple forms by clicking the plus sign next to page 1. Once you complete the form, select either Save Print or Save. Next, let's open the State Tax and Wage Forms. The state field displays the state based on the client's information. However, any state can be selected in this module. Click the drop list in the form field to choose the form you need to complete. Drake Accounting populates the frequency field based on the form you select. If you selected a quarterly form, choose the appropriate quarter. Check the e-file box if you plan to electronically file the state form. As with the federal forms, the fields either populate based on data you previously entered for your client, or you can complete the form from scratch by clicking in the appropriate fields to edit. Once you complete the form, select either Save Print or Save. For more information, visit accounting.drakesoftware.com.